ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಟಿವಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, 76ನೆಯ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ 76ನೆಯ ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಆಚರಣೆ ಅತ್ಯದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತವಾದಂತಹ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸೀದ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ HSR ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಟಿವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಂಸೀದ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ HSR branch is conducting walkathon to pass the message of unity by displaying 76 meters length Indian national flag. The reason for doing this is to promote the equality, fraternity among the Indians and to make the children to understand the unity and diversity concept. Let's have a chit chat with the parents and the staff of the Samsid International School to know the feeling of this walkathon.
Good morning. My name is Soumya. First of all, 76th Republic Day wishes to one and all. And being a parent of Samsid School, I have two of my children studying in this school, and I have been very fascinated to be part of this event today. And really, it's energizing all the parents and the kids studying here. So, I'm looking forward to complete this walkathon and then enjoy the whole day.
Hello, the viewers of Samudaya TV. Today we are witnessing the Samsid International School HSR branch walkathon, especially on occasion of 76th Republic Day. We already just had a chit chat with all the parents and the students also. We have here the supreme of the branch, we can say, because the principal is going to be the parent of the particular institution, and the principal is going to be the sole responsibility for the management success as well as the students' career growth also. We have ma'am here, the principal, the proud principal of HSR level. Ma'am, very good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
76 Happy Republic Day wishes to you, ma'am.
Thank you, and Happy Republic Day to all the viewers.
Okay. How did you feel this particular the marathon or walkathon today we are conducting, means the HSR level conducting, is going to pass a unity message?
Definitely. See, these are the days when we need to create awareness amongst our new generation about the importance of celebrating these, important days like the Republic Day or the Independence Day. And it instills a lot of patriotism in the young minds. They are the future citizens of the India. They are the ones who need to, develop India to the next level. So definitely this walkathon is one initiative to create that awareness amongst our children, and they are very enthusiastically participating in the event today.
Ma'am, we can see a huge flag here. Ma'am, few words about the flag.
Definitely. See, this is the 76th Republic Day, and we thought, we will have a 76-meter Tiranga rally with our children, which we can see that, very enthusiastically and very proudly they are carrying.
Okay. And what is the parents' opinion? What is the parents' opinion about this particular walkathon when you pass the message? How the reaction came and how they're reacting today? They feel about the participation.
See, first of all, I would like to thank all my parents here, because being a Sunday, they are here early morning to promote this event. At the same time, it is very important that as parents as a school, we motivate our children to participate in such events, and I'm really thankful to them that they are all in full swing and being here with the school today.
Ma'am, how did you got the idea of making 76 meters of the flag?
See, it is always a teamwork, and as a team, when we were brainstorming, we thought, yes, this is something, and our change makers, Samsid change makers, we have clubs wherein our children go into the society and create awareness, whether it is about the eco-friendly way of sustainability and bringing social awareness within our society. So this is an initiative definitely by our Samsid change makers, where they want to create this awareness of patriotism and being a true Indian, how the new youth can do small things like not throwing waste in the particular bins, segregating the waste, and having empathy not only towards the human beings but also towards the animals and so on. So these are little initiatives from our end to create this awareness in our youth and definitely to the society.
Yes, ma'am. Normally, you can make a small celebration at school and you can distribute sweets and chocolates. You can send the students. But this kind of a huge celebration, passing a unity message, is going to be very difficult. Don't you feel that is very difficult and very tough job?
See, the tougher the task is, the more challenges there are, but the happiness and the contentment, it is to the next level. If we definitely we do celebrate inside the school, within the school, but taking it to the community, we are touching more and more people, and that definitely is the Samsit change makers idea also, that we need to go into the society and the activities which we do should impact the society at large.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮಾತುಗಳು. ಈ ಸಂಸಿದ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ HSR ಲೇಔಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇವತ್ತು 76 ಮೀಟರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಬಾವುಟವನ್ನು ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಿಸುವ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಜಾಥಾ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ? Okay, ma'am. Okay, because last time you said very great words in Kannada, so that's anyway, thank you so much, ma'am. We feel very proud as a media because this is a reason once again to us to show a good content to the viewers also, and to pass the unity in diversity concept also. So we really appreciate the management and the staff of the HSR layout branch, Samsit International School. Kudos to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, and I definitely thank my entire team because it has not been an easy task, having a big crowd. Our admin, our teachers have all been equally involved in this from so many days planning for this, and it's big, kudos to the entire team.
How did your top management like Madhavi Vasa and
Definitely,
Vasa?
it is always, it is the management is always there to support, and when we came out with this idea, they were all very appreciative and supported us in all the ways to arrange this event.
Very nice to know, ma'am. We hope the Samsid International School HSR branch will conduct some more these kind of activities more and more, ma'am.
Every time we look forward and we plan different things which should inspire our children to move ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. On behalf of the parents and the public, we wish you again 76 Happy Republic
Thank
Day.
you so much. Happy Republic Day to you too.
Thank you.
ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೋಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ಶೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಬಿಡಿ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
So good morning, sir.
Yeah, I'm feeling very energetic now. Yeah, it's with kids actually, so I'm loving it actually. So yeah,
Normally, you can enjoy the holiday at the Republic Day today.
Yeah.
But you, along with your kids, you're participating in this walkathon, sir.
Yeah.
What made you to do this?
yeah, it's good for my kids also. It's a first marathon for my kids, so that's why I joined this actually. Yeah, it's very good school, and I recommend others also to have this. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Once again, Happy Republic Day to you, sir.
Yeah, it's good. Like we become active early in the morning, and also to know that children can come to know about Republic Day and much things. What is it about?
Do you think it is very necessary to conduct this kind of activities during the holidays? Because nowadays people think national festival is going to be one kind of a holiday to enjoy somewhere, to go outing and all. What do you feel?
No, like it should be celebrated. So it's one day in 365 days. So we can spend one day for to know what we have achieved in last 76 years and all. So yeah, that's good.
So by conducting this kind of a celebration of national festivals and as well as this special walkathon with the flag, what kind of impact is going to happen on among the children?
So children comes to know what is Republic Day, and moreover they get early in the morning. We at least weekend they know, other than watching TV and phone, there is other activities which they can do. At least walk, know the places. Most of the time they haven't walked in this area.
Okay.
Either they traveled or something like that in bus or car.
Yeah.
So walking at least to know, I've seen this.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, I mean this is the first year she's studying here in Samsid HSR. So yeah, it's good. Like she's getting to learn more things apart from studies. Whatever the other activities which happens, like the studies, they do a mono act or like kind of a group acts about the chapter itself, which helps them to know more about the studies, like content of the book. More than studies, the extracurricular activities and other programs, like again self-development. So this is good.
Salute to the flag! Salute!
Of schools, and I am the founder teacher. So past 14 years I am a part of Samsid. I am very proud because the meaning of Samsid itself says get prepared. We are preparing our children for the life. Let our children should know that's the significance of this Republic Day. It's not like that only we are celebrating. We can celebrate in the schools also, in the
Yes.
city. But we want that everyone should know the importance of our our Republic Day, the constitutions.
Okay, ma'am. And how the parents reacted for this planning of this walkathon?
The parents, amazing, their responses. Now you could see there are lots of parents as a part of this walkathon. So we are very proud that our parents are a part of this walkathon. In this way we are preparing our children for the life.
Are you happy with the activities of this kind of very difficult activities? Are you happy?
Yes, we are happy and our children are also enjoying. They have incorporated with our activities and all. This is not the activities, this is the part of the life.
And it's on behalf of the parents as well as the viewers of the Karnataka, we wish you all the very best and thank you so much for conducting such kind of an event, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Jai Bharat.